What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to Red Collar Trading. All right, so today we're looking at a Market Watch article um, on Mara, and I know I'm starting this video off like it's not my first video. It is my first video. So I want to welcome you guys to my channel. In the future, from now on, I guess I'm gonna say this: like, subscribe. If you guys want this, if you guys want this, how do I say this great content. So if you guys want more content like this, go ahead and like and subscribe. And subscribing is your way of always watching me and letting me know that you're always watching. And that's the sincerest form of flattery from the media that I can get. So I would appreciate it. And if you don't, you don't. But you're probably still gonna watch because we love the haters. Anyways, we're going to be talking about Marathon Patent, ticker symbol MARA. All right, so this is an article way back from November 18, 2020. And you might wonder, why the hell does this have any significance to 2021? We're in 2021. This was 1,000 months ago. Why are you bringing this up? Now, right now, everybody was so stuck on AMC and GameStop. And, it's right to be stuck on them. We got money tied up in there. So it's nice to see our profits rolling in. And congratulations to those who have made their profits. But us as investors, we can sleep on stocks that, have potential. And in essence, I'm not so mad at AMC and GameStop, and I was never mad at it. I'm always supportive of it because those are stocks that have potential. They were just slept on. Simple. And with that being said, Mara is one of them. I'm not saying that it should be a stock that everybody buys into for profit and we just short squeeze or we just do a short. That's not, or whatever happened with AMC and GameStop. I don't think that should happen with this stock. But at the same time, what I am saying is that this stock would be a good stock to buy and hold. As you guys can see, let me I'm gonna switch over and I'm gonna go over to I'm gonna go over to find the ticker and see what's up with the price. Okay, so the price of this stock is $33.41. We're up 16% on the day, I believe. And yeah, so we're up 16% on the day, which is crazy. We saw upwards of $35. So really, as we can see on this stock, you can only lose $2 and you only gain $2 if you had bought in today. You know, I will be buying into this soon. But just to give perspective on a day-to-day gain or loss with this stock, unrealized you would have two, unrealized you would have three, you know, realized you would have, unrealized gain you would have, you'd have two or three, unrealized loss you would have probably like $2. So you'd be down, you wouldn't be down so much from this stock. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to buy into it. I'm not telling you guys to gain or lose. Just me going on. All right. So when we go back to this article, all right, we can see this was published in November 18, 2020. It may seem like it has nothing to do with it, but this was one of the first times, I believe, one of the first times Bitcoin actually shot up in 2020. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's when that was, and around that time. And we see that even though the price of Bitcoin soared, right? Even though the price of Bitcoin soared, this is how we can sleep on the stock so much. Even though the price of Bitcoin soared, right? Mara stock lost 9.1% on that trading day. And then Bitcoin went up 50.6%. And so, and in effect, caused the S&P, it kind of caused the S&P to go up. The market went on a little rally. So as we can see, they're one of Bitcoin's biggest cryptocurrency miners. And they haven't really lost on earnings calls. They've lost, but I wouldn't say the loss has been with everything that's going on with crypto, you can only expect for a company making money off of crypto to lose. And the reason why I'm saying that is because they're trying to regulate this stuff federally. They're trying to, you know, basically they're trying to chop the tree down. And as much as they try to chop the tree down, unfortunately, a stock like this will take the hit for it. Um, and sometimes it's a big hit, sometimes it's a small hit. But I would use the hits that basically the banks take. Basically these huge federations take and try to knock down what is the cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? I think I would try to average down. Um, so yeah, I see a lot of hope in this stock, and I feel like it can be like oil. Like it can almost be like investing in an oil mining company, and just holding it. And instead of directly owning oil, right? If we compare it to Bitcoin, Bitcoin in a sense would be like owning it would be like owning oil, but buying into the company would then also give you the um, positive repercussions that would come from if the price on said oil went up. So, you know, I can only be bullish on this stock, right? Ticker symbols right here. Um, 33.26 today. We're down a little bit under 45 per. Well, we were down 0.45% today at the close. But as we did pretty good. When you look at it, the highs and the lows. Um, the high was $36 on the day, and our 52-week high was 49. Almost $50. So I just want you guys to check this one out. I think it could be. I think it really could be. In like investing into the oil mining. You know, like I remember a guy was talking to me about how oil was doing before the whole pandemic. But think about it. We're coming out of pandemic, right? A lot of different industries are going to get affected long term now, for may probably for the possible forever, like for foreseeable future. They're going to be affected by what the pandemic did, what the new mindsets that people gain after the pandemic. So we know, we put that into perspective, and you put also into perspective a company like Marathon, that and take into consideration that they mine cryptocurrencies, and especially one of the biggest commodities. Remember, let's remember that Bitcoin beat gold. So, they're mining one of the biggest cryptocurrency. And we ask yourself, can this company how long can this company stay above water before it eventually takes off into space? Before it eventually has this whole lift off, and it's one of the top movers, and we have all of these FOMO traders buying in. you know so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is where we wrap it up. If you guys enjoyed it, if you guys want to critique me, go ahead and do that in the comment section. And if you guys have a stock that you want to hear my opinion on whether or not you should buy it, just drop it down there. Drop it down there in the comment section. I'll be free to, feel free, and I will be free also to answer every question that you guys may have about on the market. And thanks for tuning in to Red Collar Trading. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.